Welcome back to my channel. My name's Adriana, and this is a space where I share recipes with you that I love, especially plant-based Mexican food. Today, I want to share with you the easiest way to make queso cotija at home, that of a Mexican powder-style cheese, but completely plant-based. The ingredients are a 1/4 cup of slivered almonds, a 1/4 teaspoon of sea salt, a pinch of white pepper, 1½ teaspoons of lime juice, and 2 teaspoons of nutritional yeast. You have probably seen this cheese sprinkled on top of enchiladas, refried beans, and of course, elote, or Mexican-style corn. Queso cotija is actually one of the many queso añejos from Mexico, or aged cheeses. There are several ways to veganize this recipe, but the one I'm sharing with you is the simplest way to make it at home. We simply add everything into a food processor and grind until we get a medium to fine grind. The white pepper we're adding is actually fermented, so it adds the perfect sharpness of cheese. And the lime juice brings everything into beautiful balance with its natural acidity. So there you have it, the easiest way to make a queso cotija plant-based at home. Let me know down in the comments what your favorite dish to add this cheese to is. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification button so that you don't miss any of the recipes or cooking live streams that we do on the channel. Buen provecho!